Hey YouTube, it's Mega Airsoft King 101. Today it's me, and the gun we're going to be using is the M3000. I think I said M6000 last time, but that's wrong. Sorry for that. Yeah, so here it is. It's one of the beastest guns in the world. It's spring powered. This one has a hop up. It's a really good gun. Around 390 FPS. It's basically the same as the other one my friend did, but mine looks cooler. So yeah. Oh, sorry, Beatles. I might have killed Ringo there. Just kidding. I think he's already dead. It came with a pistol. It's kind of a cheap pistol. Mine broke, but I had it for a while till it broke. Broke like a month ago. Yeah. See, the spring popped out. So yeah. I mean, the clip, you open that up, fill it in, pull this lever down, and just shake it, and it fills all the way to the top. I don't have much in there right now. Got to hop up. It's on hop right now, normal. Cock it back. Spring powered, like I said. Got a pistol grip so it fits your hand easily. Remove the clip like this. So yeah, and it kind of resembles like a real police shotgun, kind of like a spaz. So now I'm going to be I have the safety right here. Just pop that up. Remove. Just pop that. So yeah, and the pistol, you'll have this for a while, trust me, is fire right here. S stands for fire, safety. Yeah, you just cock it back. Yep. Sorry, I got zapped. Well, yeah, this can hold to 18, but sometimes the BBs fall out once you shoot it. So yeah, be aware of that. And this can hold up to exactly 10. So, I mean, this is not accurate whatsoever. This does nothing. This one's actually more accurate than this. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing a shooting test, and I'll tell you if it's a good gun at the end. Now we're going to be doing the shooting test. Got my scope on. Actually looks pretty cool with it on. Pretty sure I had this actually my first time. So yeah, I think I'll be pretty good. So here's the target, regular old Diet Coke can, no says I. I'll also do a shooting test for the pistol. Like I said, got a big room. So here it is. So how was that? As a reminder. Shoot it again. So let's do one more, or about two more. One again far back, and one up close. close one. Better be prepared for this. Ready? Now, I'm just going to be wailing at it. Looks like I ran out of ammo. I didn't shoot, I didn't fill it up all the way. What's the point? So yeah. See, the 2 bullets fall out. Yeah. Isn't the best feature of the gun. Now the pistol test, let me just load that up. Okay, so it's not the best gun for long range. Up close. I mean, still pretty good gun. Let's say we do a few more. Yeah, picking up all these bullets. Again, I didn't fill it up all the way. The pistol doesn't do that much and damage, but you know, this does. Shotgun does. So yeah, and I'll be showing you if it's a good gun. Bye-bye.